While my brain model has proven to be very helpful with memorizing parts of the brain, I realize that its extent of how much it can help me with memorization can go much farther than how I've utilized it so far. Being very skilled in digital media and enjoying the work that comes with it, I decided to make the model more interactive by creating a video that corresponds with the model to help improve studying and memorization. So starting off with Model 1, we have the pituitary gland, the pons, the medulla, the cerebellum, and the thalamus. The pituitary gland is responsible for the production of hormones. The pons serves as a relay station for messages from the cortex and the cerebellum. The medulla regulates life-sustaining processes such as breathing, swallowing, and heart rate. The cerebellum is responsible for balance and coordination, and the thalamus relays information from the sensory receptors to the sensory portion of the brain. The second model shows the cerebral cortex, the primary motor cortex, and the somatosensory cortex. The cerebral cortex is responsible for higher thought processes such as decision making. The primary motor cortex is responsible for contraction of muscles on opposite sides of the body. And the somatosensory cortex processes sensory information received from all parts of the body. The third model shows the Broca's area and Wernicke's area. Broca's area controls the motor functions for speech expression. Wernicke's area is responsible for auditory association and speech recognition. The fourth model shows the temporal lobe and the hypothalamus. The temporal lobe processes auditory information and is involved in memory. The hypothalamus is responsible for hunger, thirst, and maintenance and body temperature. The fifth model shows the corpus callosum, the amygdala, and the hippocampus. The corpus callosum connects the right and left hemisphere of the brain. The amygdala is responsible for memory of emotions such as fear. The hippocampus is responsible for processing long-term memory and emotional responses.